Second half, boys. Scots. Let's go, Scots. I think they were offsides. I wasn't really looking, but that's my guess. Take advantage. Go.
Let's go, Scots.
Whoa. That's why you don't do it that way. Yeah, go down. Forward.
Yeah, tell me when you're ready for a pair.
At the end of this half. Go, buddy. Go get him. Just run around him.
Set. I got ball. I got ball. Go.
Just.
Go over on.
Sorry, looked away. Sorry, buddy. Damn. Hit him low!
He was out of bounds. Sir, out of bounds. They call him punt. Sir, he ran 4 feet out of bounds. No way. That man was playing punt. Don't have it. Boy, get a flag! Hey, find the flag!
Not 10. Not 10. Go, boys. Go.
Take your hand, George!
Don't. Oh. It's yours, Justin.
Fine. Sit. Right. Stop. We're taking weak.
Get him, Justin. Hit him low. There you go. Now Ben again. Come on.
You too, Fergus. AJ, you okay? Rayburn. Let's go. Let's finish hot. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, Scots. Support him. Nice. Oh.
Alec. Hey, back. Back 5. 10, sorry. Ready? Left, Alec, you're here. Logan, push up.
Go with him. Go with him. Yes, Jesse. I'm like a high schooler crushing.
Stay here, Alex, stay left. Alex, stay left.
Here you go, Jesse. Yeah. Oh.
I got ball.
Oh.
Phil, outside.
Go, Wilson.
On your right.
Yeah! Saw that grin. What?
Last play, boys. We went all out.
Let's go, Scots! Wait. Short-handed now. Never. Nice, David. Yeah. They have 7? Now they have 7. Yeah, guys are playing short.
Drop on me, drop on me, drop on me. Now we're good, now we're
Let's go, Justin. Nice.
Yeah, that was me.
That was. I got a picture of me grinning.
He was smiling the whole time.
Oh.
Oh.
Let's zoom in for this last one here.
Go left.
Oof.
Look over high. Hit the ball. Now, George. Now, George.
Damn it.
Nice.
Oh, he's gone.